619079541. It's going to be as clean as it possibly can be when we get done with it. The warranty on the asphalt is 3 years, no mold. Okay, under a tree is organic stains. We don't cover organic stains. That's on you. There is a no mold 3-year warranty though. Okay, any mold, we come back out and clean it. Period. End of story. Most of my roof cleanings go 5 years. I've seen some of them go 8 years. Okay, so a professional is actually saving you money. Remember that. The hack or the new guy is actually costing you money. Okay? Do a roof once in 5 years.